What's 4 plus 3? 15. That was close, but we're gonna use fingers. Okay, let's try with fingers. We have 4 fingers, 3 fingers. How many fingers do we have?
7.
Yes, that's great, perfect. So what's 4 plus 3?
38.
What? No. How many fingers do I have?
7.
Yes. Okay, so 4 plus 3 is...
129.
Nice try. Let's try something else, okay? Candies. You love candies. Okay. There's 4 candies. We're gonna add. I'm gonna give you 3 more candies. How many candies do you have?
7.
Yes. Okay. You get this right? I'll give you the candies. Okay. What's 4 plus 3?
1,382,000.
Yeah. You still get an A, sweetheart, because you're amazing. I know you tried your best, so you can take the candies.
What is 4 plus 3? 10. 7.